Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you some important essential tips to help you speak English fluently. Let's dive right in and explore the tips together. The first and the most important tips of the fluent English is the practice consistently. Regular practice help to develop the muscle memory and improve the fluency. Set aside time each day to practice the speaking, writing, or listening to the English. The most important and second tips are the immerse yourself in the language. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Invite the English movies. Listen to the English music and try to think in English. The third and the important tips are the fluent English is focused on the pronunciations. Good pronunciation is the key to fluent English. Pay attention to how native speakers pronounce words and try to mimic them. The fourth and the important tips of the fluent English is use the flashcard and the vocabulary apps. Expand yourself, expand your vocabulary by using the flashcards and app like Duolingo, and the other app is the Quizlet and the Babels, and learn the new words and phrase daily. The last and the five important fluent English speaking tips are the speak with native speaker. Engage in communication with the native English speaker, either in person or online. This will help you to get used to the natural flow and the rhythms of the language. At the last, remember, by following these five tips, you will be well on your way to speaking the fluent English. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like buttons and subscribe for the more content. And good luck on your English speaking journey. Thank you.